birdseed. And people just give it away. Look, a new feeder. This is my lucky day. Those sunflowers look yummy, so fat and so sweet. Once I get to them, I'll eat.
Yes, we'll have one.
Why can't I get in? Maybe if I gnaw a bit. Yeah, where there's will, there's a way. I'm just sure of it.
We know this animal by many names.
Yeah.
Gray squirrel, bushy tail, and tree rat.
Yes, we'll have one.
You probably don't want to feed it buckets of birdseed. The world might still await the better mousetrap, but we introduce the Squirrel Buster Classic. This remarkable squirrel-proof bird feeder has the hallmarks of a better product.
Yeah.
First, it's simple to use. Fill it with seeds and hang it up. That's it. Second, it's effective. A squirrel's weight, even of a little red squirrel, pulls the shroud down over the ports. And the Squirrel Buster Classic is affordable. It's one of the lowest priced quality squirrel-proof feeders available anywhere. Of course, the Squirrel Buster Classic is also harmless to squirrels. So enjoy the better squirrel-proof bird feeder, the Squirrel Buster Classic.
Houston, I have a problem. This mission is history. I'm going back to the neighbors. Adios, Squirrel Buster.